Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Mpesa. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first thing you need to do is open up your Google and then you need to search for PayPal Mpesa link. And then you need to open up this website paypal/mobilemoney.com. So this will be the first website. So just open it. Then this will show you the similar page. So from here you have to click on this get started button. Then this will open up this pop-up window, so you can simply click on this icon to maximize it. Then you need to scroll down and then you will see this option agree and connect, so just click on that. Then you need to enter the mobile number that you used in your M-Pesa account, so just enter mobile number and then click on this link your account option. Then it will send a verification code to your mobile number, so enter verification right here and then click on confirm button. Then your PayPal account will be linked to your M-Pesa. After that you need to go to the home page and then this time click on this login option. Now log in with your PayPal ID, so just select the PayPal ID and click on this continue button. And once you do that, this will show you this page. So from here you have to click on this withdraw from PayPal. After that, this will open up this page where you can see the available balance in your PayPal amount. Now to transfer it to your M-Pesa, simply enter the amount that you want to transfer in this box and click on this continue to withdraw button. Then it will tell you the conversion rate, how much you will get in your M-Pesa account. So once you satisfy with the rate, simply click on this confirm button and that's it. Your money from PayPal will be transferred in your M-Pesa. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.